The Dritz Styling Design Ruler's hip curve, located between measurements 1 and 17, can be used to create a smooth transition when a waist or hip measurement falls in between a pattern's printed sizes. For example, if the pattern size you've chosen needs a smaller size at the waist, find the curve in the ruler that best matches the curve of the pattern's design line. Then, holding the ruler in place at the hip line point, pivot the ruler to the smaller waist size. Now draw a new design line, blending the two sizes together. In the same manner, if the pattern size you've chosen needs a larger size at the hip, find the curve in the ruler that best matches the pattern's curve. But this time, holding the ruler in place at the waistline, pivot the ruler to the larger hip size. Now draw a new design line blending the two sizes together. Be sure to repeat this adjustment on any corresponding pattern pieces. The Dritz Styling Design Ruler has customized the pattern to your measurements without compromising the integrity of the original design line.